Gabby, what gave you the idea to decide to get your sewing machine working on masks?
Well, my sewing teacher, Deanna, from InStitches, posted a tutorial, and I thought it would keep me busy. And I knew my aunt, Samantha, was a nurse, and I thought I could help out by sewing masks, and I wanted to help as much as I can.
And Tracy, I emphasize the McHale part of your name because I know the McHales have delivered an awful lot of people to the Boston Police Department. I think one of your relatives was a Boston police officer when my father was a Boston police officer, and all the way down the line through the generations. I've read that the Boston Police Department is one of the beneficiaries of your daughter's masks.
Yes, I am a retired Boston police officer, and my husband is a police officer as well. I am third-generation police officer, and my grandfather and my dad both worked with your dad. And there are currently 4 McHales on the police department. And yes, the community service officers at C11 in Dorchester saw Gabby's story on your show, and they came and brought material for her and requested masks for them and for the EMTs.
And Gabby, have you been struggling getting supplies for your masks? I know elastic has been not easy to get.
We've been able to get some of the elastic, and I have a lot of material because I just love sewing. And we also bought some material, and we had some donated by the Boston Police.
And Gabby, how are you keeping up with schoolwork these days at St. Brendan's?
I'm keeping up with it well. It's a little hard online, but I'm making sure it gets done, and I'm making sure I do it before I do anything else.
And about how many masks have you now made?
Over 120.
Wow. That is really amazing. Tracy, were you surprised when Gabby started working on masks?
No, I really wasn't surprised because her sewing teacher had posted a tutorial. Her sewing teacher, Deanna from InStitches in Quincy, posted a tutorial. And you know, Gabby, when she sets her mind to something, she does it. She likes to practice. She's very determined. So this was a way, since gymnastics and dance and sewing were all canceled, this was a way for her to do her sewing and to get something done.